Hello guys. Today we are going to talk about green screen and how it's work with Filmora. It's very easy. You should have any of green screen video clip and another short video. Before the video, just subscribe my channel, like it, and comment. Now you can import chosen videos to Filmora, including green screen video. I selected and imported 2 videos, including 1 green screen. Watch and follow the video instructions carefully. Now you can drag and drop background video clip to first video line, and green screen video to second video line. Then, right-click on green screen video and select green screen on menu. Then, tick on make parts of the clip transparent, and click on OK to finish. Now you can adjust everything you need in video. Finish everything, and play the video and watch. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and wait for another Filmora guide video.